Want to know how to create a squad in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, simply open up your Mobile Legends application, and once you've done that, right here on the right side right below your friends list, right here you can see this small squad like icon that should be right below your add friends icon. Just simply select it, and also there on the left side under active squads you can see create squad right here. Now right here you can just simply type in your squad name, your short name of your squad, and then your motto. You can also change the squad religion by simply selecting this rotation icon right here and then changing it to whatever country that you want. Now once that is done, you can also change settings like active squad members, invited squad members, and much more. And that's it. After that is done, you need diamonds, that is 199 worth of it, in order to create the squad. So it's not free, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.